this video, I'm going to show you how to edit a page using Thrive Architect. Since I created the last video, Thrive Themes, Thrive has decided to change the editor name to Thrive Architect. Still basically the same, but there are a few changes. It basically looks different, gives you a little bit different settings and stuff. So that is why I'm changing or shooting this video. All right, so first thing you'll notice. So I went to Pages, and then I clicked on the home page. This is Kelly's website. And then now, first thing you'll notice is this button is different. Edit with Thrive Architect. Okay, it used to be a smaller button and used to say something a little different. So now you click on this button to edit it with Thrive Architect. Okay, this is how Architect looks. Now you have the option of having this setting on either side. You can have it on the right side or the left side. By default, it comes on the left side. I moved it over to the right side because that's what I'm used to. To change that, you would just go to this little button, right, page setup right here, and then settings, and then switch editor side. See that? All right. So now this is I had started with Kelly's website earlier. And I'm just going to show you a little bit some of the elements of what happens here. This is still drag and drop. Everything's just the same as it used to be. If you know how the other one used to work, basically you just start typing and put in here whatever you want. I'm going to just change this. Oops. Welcome to my website. Okay, and put exclamation point. Now here's bold. If you want to bold it, if you want to, I think you have to highlight that to do that. That would obviously do that. Underline, take that away, and do a line through it. It is on heading currently. Okay, text options. Here you change the font color. You want it red or whatever color you like. There's, red. Here, let's go back to this. Change this back to black. Obviously, just change your color to whatever you want. And, oops, hadn't highlighted that. Apply. Boom, we're back to black. Okay, so here's the font face. Want to change the different font. Here's the size. Make it bigger, make it smaller, or you can do that here. Wow, that's crazy. That's cool. I like that. Just drag it up and down. Wow. Or I'm sure you could do 60. Yeah, type it in there. Wow, that's cool. Line height. This could be way big, way small. Boom, 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 boom. Whatever you like. Okay. Advanced options. Letter spacing. And wow, typeform animation. Cool. Probably won't use this advanced very much. Layout and position, you can do this. Wow, we can go smaller and then center it, side it, right side, left side, boom, boom. I love it. I love it. All right, so see that? So let's say you want to make it smaller, have it like that, and move it to the left, and then you could actually put something else on the right side of it. Very, very cool. I love this. All right, center it, and borders, corners. Let me close this one. Not save your work. Yeah, if you don't save your work for 10 minutes, it's going to remind you. And all you got to do is hit save right here, the green button. Save changes. All right, all changes saved. Boom, boom. All right, so I think you guys get that. You just play around with this. We can do shadows, styles, templates, boom, boom. Okay, lots and lots of options. So hit this back arrow until you get to this main menu, and now you can grab another element and put it onto your screen, onto your page. Okay, let's do, for example, let's do a video. Okay, so let's say Kelly was to shoot a video and she wants to put a video here. Okay, so insert responsive video. Now, over here on the right side, you'll notice the source of the video. Is it a YouTube video? Is it a Vimeo video, a Wistia video, or a custom video? Most times, obviously, it would be YouTube. Then here's where you would paste your YouTube link to the video you want to put here. Okay. You can have the video start at 0 minutes 0 seconds, or at a later time where it would show later. Let's see. Here's where you would do the. Let's do that one. Show you. Might not show up without a video. It doesn't look like it will. Black monitor. Actually, let me just grab a video and put it there just for kicks and giggles. Show you guys how that looks. YouTube. I'll just go to my channel. And you know what? I'll just grab this one. This was one of my latest blog post videos. I'll click on it, and if you go down here and hit share, come on, don't be so slow. Here we go. Right there's our link. We go copy, bring it over here, take it here, paste it right in here, paste, boom, getting in video information. All right, so now you see the black monitor automatically popped up. Now, this is something I would definitely do. Hide. Where's the related videos? Okay, it's not. Hide logo. That one I definitely want. Hide related right there. So I would definitely check those. And if you want to do autoplay when somebody lands on the website, on the web page, you would do autoplay. Hide title. I would do that. You can do a change the thumbnail here even. Wow, that's cool. So that's that part. Okay, so let's close that, and then layout and positions. We can make it smaller. Okay, so this is what I would definitely do on this one. You don't want it so huge. Maybe put it here. Okay, and let's do this. Just show you guys a little bit what's possible. Now let's do it on the right side. And then let's leave that one. And then take this one and drag it down to right here. Oh, this got smaller really quick. Let us do. Okay, now we have to center that because we now got them beside each other. Okay. So just like that, and if you don't see that, you can also change it that way. Make one bigger, one or the other smaller. And one thing I would do here. Let's actually change this from black monitor to maybe just one of the lifted styles. See the different lifted styles. Style. I like that one. I like style 6. And basically notice the black shadows on the edge here. Basically shows that. So that's basically save changes. Now that's how that would look. Okay, so you can really design a website just any which way you want, right? And now if you have a custom HTML link that you want to paste somewhere, okay, just grab the element, take it to the page, and boom. Click on this, and here we paste our element, right? If you had a, here we've got a YouTube link, but we're not going to do that. But if you have a custom HTML link that you would do, you would just bring it right there, delete the element, boom, it's gone. Okay? Let's see what custom menu is. Yeah, see this? All right, so this is the social links menu. Or you can change it to the top menu, which is this one. See that? Now it's the same as that one. So that's where that came from. You can also put it in vertical, make this primary menu. Yes, that's normally what you do. Change the color, advanced options, layout and position. Can make it bigger, smaller, wider, right side, center it, left side, whatever. It's all there, right? I think you guys get the point. It's very... Okay, this part I don't get. Oh, cool. That's a new feature. I hadn't seen that yet. See that? Makes a border around it. So take it down to 0, there's no border. Okay, cool, love it. All right, so I'm going to delete this, and now let's say you want to change the color. You want to put a new section in. It used to be, let's see, page section used to be down close to the bottom. Let's see if I can find this real quick. Countdown, evergreen, click to tweet, content reveal. That's an awesome feature. I love that one. Content box. Okay, so content box basically will give you like a text box. Okay, or hang on, heights, decoration. Okay, no, none of that. Typo, layout, position, background style. Okay, so add a solid color layer. So the box would have, whatever color you want to make it. Let's make a green box. Okay, so I'll just do this for an example. And let's see, can we type right in there? Doesn't look like we can on this one. Content box. Okay, so we can't do that. So go back to the main menu and get the paragraph text element. See if we can drag that right on top. Right, red, just like that. So now we can type, hey, how's it going? Okay. So now I would probably align that center and make it bold, make it bigger. Wow, that just makes the box bigger. Cool, I love it. All right. Pretty cool. You just drag and drop, basically. Okay? Here's a picture. Here's a button. Here's columns. Background section. That's what we want. Yeah. Okay, background section. Go to background style, color, and we've got, boom, let's do a red one. And oh, we could do a video background even. That's awesome. Layout and position all the way out. No, not that one. Hang on. I'll figure this out. Maximum width. Alright, so that makes it bigger, smaller. Yeah, you can't actually go all the width, all the way wide across, because this, while you could, I think, let's see, let's try this. Put it down below here. There we go. Okay, so I have to go underneath this border thing here. Okay, and then we can do all the way across. Let's see. Oh, we're still at 1283. Yeah, but it lets you go wider. All right. Very, very cool. I love it. I think you guys are going to get it. It's very, very simple. I'm obviously just playing around here. Let's put a picture in here. So, choose your image. Here's a picture of Kelly. We'll just insert that there. I'll show you how to edit that. Let's see. Oh, I moved it. I didn't mean to do that. I want to drag the picture down to the red section. And I drug it below the red section. Try that. Still below the red section. Oh, whatever. Let's put this in the middle. What's that do? I don't even know. Here's our center. Okay, so that's how you put it in the center. Left side, right side, middle, advanced, z-index. Don't get that. I'm not sure. Float. Ooh, we can even float it. Awesome. Float. Auto. Edit position. Save position. Okay, so basically that would let it float and whatnot. Okay, let's remove this red section. Click. Delete. Gone. I'm going to delete this too, actually. Delete. 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 And we're back to that. Okay? So I'm going to let Kelly design her website the way she wants. I just put this banner, by the way, this is just an image, and stretch it all the way across. I created the image just to show you guys a little bit what's possible. Created this image on canva.com, just uploaded it, and then I put this menu here, and just put some words here temporarily. Now what I would normally do is, especially on a capture page, is bring this down here and put privacy policy or something of that nature here. Okay, we're going to center it, and then the way you link it, you go like that, and here insert link URL, and if you already have privacy policy page set up, which it doesn't appear like we have yet. Search settings. Yeah, it's not showing up because we haven't created one yet. But once you create one, it should show up, and then you just click on it and hit insert. Okay, so we'll have to create that first, and then that is good to go. Also, I would always like to keep my lettering at the bottom fairly small. So we're at 18 font size. I would take that down to 14, okay? 14 for small at the bottom. Let's do this yet. Where did that go? Okay, there we go. Ah, that's cool. I love it. So, see how that does it? Okay. Ooh, cool. Anyway, save changes, and you're good to go. Okay? You can obviously hide. You can hit that button there, and it'll take it wide. Oh, I see now. We don't have that stretched all the way across. So image size should be as wide as possible. And no style. Layout and position should be centered like that. Relative. Save. There we go. Cool. Got that all the way across. We've got it nice up and down from the top. We've got the menu here. You can also put the menu on the side, obviously, right side or left side. And then you just build your page as you like it. Or you can use a template. If you have a template that you like, go here. Template setup, landing page setting, choose landing page template. Okay, so if you want to use any of these, here's default, blank, mini squeeze, review, confluence, lime, edition. These are sets. So if here's like Rockstar set, expand set. So click on that, and then it expands that set, and you can pick. I wouldn't use that one for a home page. Let's see. There's a corporate one, vision, storyteller. It's a good one. I love the video course ones. They're kind of pretty awesome. There's more. I think they're still loading more in here. They're not quite all here yet. Here's blank. Obviously that's completely blank. That's what you would start with if you don't have one yet. Okay. Let's click on the storyteller one, see what pops up there. Okay, cool. Vision. Looks like that's only one. Anyway, you can figure out which one you like. There's a ton of them in here, and like some of these are pretty decent. I love those. I love those. Foundation. Personal branding. Okay? Some of these would probably be good. So you could pick one of those and then choose template, and it would load that template, and then you just edit it to fit your style, your design, your page, or your info, right? And you're good to go. Cool? Alrighty, I'm going to sign off from this video, and you should by now know how to create a web page. And if you are wanting to build a new page, by the way, just close that out. Go to new page. Just go to add new pages. Add new. Okay. And title it. Let's say you want what I wanted to. I'll just call it test. Okay. Oops. There we go. All right. So if you want to create it but don't want it live right away, save it as a draft. Okay. Save draft. And it will automatically create the URL, the permalink, and then you would Edit with Thrive Architect, and it'll open in a new window, and it will automatically look like this. Well, if it loads, when it loads, okay. So it's going to have the default settings here. Obviously, that's not what you want. It appears my Wi-Fi is just a tad bit slow right now, but we'll get through this, I'm sure. Let me close out my YouTube window. Alright, so this is loaded. So I would click on this right here. Still loading. I thought it's loaded. Alright, here we go. Template setup. Choose landing page template. Okay, that opens this again. And then let's do a mini squeeze set. Let's do this one just to give you an idea. Choose template. There it's loading. Very, very cool. I love it. So if you want to create a free report, free ebook, free lead magnet of some kind, this would be a great template to use. Hopefully when you're doing this, your Wi-Fi is a little bit faster than mine. Those green bubbles look quite interesting. Alright, so click on this. This is by default an image. Change the image. Right? Oops, hang on. That is changing the style. Insert image link. Well, maybe you have to... Oh, wait. Change image. Right, there we go. Alright, so that's where we go for that. I'll just put Kelly in there just for example. I don't think we're going to download Kelly, but show you how that looks. Okay, you would save changes, and once you have it, you know, positioned the way you want it, you can make it bigger, you can make it smaller, do all kinds of things. The image style, let's do a black frame around it. Let's do white frame around it, or just framed. Rounded corners, whatever you like. Okay, and if there is supposed to be a link where if they click on the image it would take them to a certain link, you would put that here. That's what that one is. Okay, alright, image effects, grayscale. Okay, I don't think we want to mess with that. Layout, we could do more there, more there. That would move it. Anywho, that basically is how that works. Let me see, where's my undo? I believe I can probably undo this. reset to default, revert to theme. Yeah. Take it back to the original. Alright, do that, and then I'm just going to save changes. So, shooting this video, I'm going to leave this. Obviously, I would edit this. If you have a disclaimer page, you would take that and link it to that page. Take the privacy policy link that to the privacy policy page. Oh, it looks like that already did. And I would change this to the name of your website. Copyright, Kelly, whatever your website is. Okay? That's what I would do. And then this would be, once you have this picture the way you want it, you have this all set up. Oh, I now notice that this is actually a download page. So this is not the actual sign up page for Delete Magnet. This is where you would download it, right? So you would link this button to I want the button, not the text. Button link would go right there. Okay, so when they click the button, this would open up. Cool. Save changes when you're done. Boom, boom. Very simple. Very, very simple. So, Kelly, if you watch this video, this is saved under test page as a draft. It's not published, so this will not be available to anybody unless you hit publish. And if you want to delete a page, it's very, very easy to do. Go to all pages. Here's the test as a draft. Just hit trash, okay? And it's gone. Cool? If you have a page you really like, notice this. Clone. I wouldn't do the blog page, but let's say you have a Delete Magnet page and you want to copy it, but change a few words and then maybe split test it, right? You could clone this page and it'll create one just like it, and then you just go edit the second one to whatever you want, right? That way you don't have to start completely from scratch if you want to make another page very, very similar. Very, very cool feature. This is only available because you have a Thrive theme on your WordPress theme. Okay? All right. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next video.